Let's talk Azure File Storage. Azure File Storage is a powerful service offering within Microsoft Azure that enables organizations to leverage fully managed file shares in the cloud. Built on the standard server message block (SMB) protocol, Azure File Storage supports both SMB 3.0 and 2.1, allowing seamless integration with various platforms like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Types. There are two primary tiers in Azure File Storage. 1. Standard file shares, optimized for general-purpose file storage, and ideal for office documents, development files, and more. 2. Premium file shares, leveraging SSD storage. These are best suited for performance-intensive workloads, including databases and large-scale virtual machines. Features. Global redundancy ensures durability and high availability. Azure Backup Integration facilitates backup and disaster recovery. Identity-based authentication, Azure Active Directory and shared key support. Encryption, at-rest and in-transit encryption for enhanced security. Snapshots and versioning, to preserve file states and easily recover from unwanted changes. Purpose and usage. Azure File Storage can serve a multitude of use cases. Legacy application migration, migrating on-premises applications that rely on file shares. Data analytics, storing large data sets for analytics purposes. Content collaboration, sharing documents and files within or between departments. DevOps, configuration file storage, or as a shared resource in C/CD pipelines. Making use of Azure File Storage. 1. Initialization. Navigate to the Azure portal and create a file share within an Azure storage account. 2. Configuration. Set the quota, performance tier, and other configurations. 3. Mapping drives. You can map Azure file share as a network drive for easy file operations. 4. API integration. Utilize Azure SDKs for programmatic file operations. In summary, what? Azure File Storage is a managed file share service supporting SMB 2.1 and 3.0. Types: standard for general purpose usage and premium for performance critical workloads. Features: offers features like global redundancy, backup integration, encryption, and identity-based authentication. Purpose and usage: suits various scenarios from legacy application migration to DevOps and content collaboration. Utilization: can be easily set up via Azure portal and offers options for mapping as a network drive or integrating with APIs. Thanks for watching.